Hi, my name's Claire Denton. I'm Chief General Counsel and Company Secretary at Capita. We asked the Vibe team to come along in the summer for one of our in-person team meets for all of my function. It's a rare event for us to get together, and consequently it was really great to have the Vibe team to come along and help facilitate that meeting. They brought a huge amount of energy and structure to some really quite deep and personal questions and soul searching we did as a team, and made it fun, brought a lot of the topics to life, and I think we all got a lot out of it, so thank you.